Ike does not want to smile for the camera today. Come here. There we go. Oh, he got groomed and he looks fancy, but there you go. That's Ike. He's groomed. He's fancy. He doesn't want to show it off. Oh, there he is. Okay, we got Ike here. He got groomed. He's looking fancy for the holidays. Anyway, and he's gone. Anyway, okay. That's all we get from Ike for today. Oh, he's back. He's gone. He's back. He's gone. Okay, that's it, I guess. Lincoln is upstairs underneath the bed by the heating vent. You want to say hi? What's up? Okay. Is that it, Ike? Okay. Well, okay, I guess I've got the Theramid 15% azelaic acid treatment today. Really quick, I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if that's something you're into, like, subscribe, share the video, click on the links below, or check my Patreon community. Okay. So, anyway, so I put on my most shiny, obnoxious shirt for today because it's the holiday time, and I guess when else do I have an excuse to put shiny stuff on? Well, I put shiny stuff on a lot, but anyway, so there we go. Oh, I wanted to mention one thing. There's this cute little amphibian in Mexico that's going extinct, and it's the cutest looking thing I've ever seen in my life next to Ike. Can we just put this on the thing or whatever? But anyway, here it is. It's called an axolotl, and it is so cute. It's got hands, it's got legs, it's got ears. Anyway, so if you see one, be nice to it. They're going extinct. We don't want that because they're so cute. Cutest little amphibian thing I've ever seen. So anyway, okay, on to the video today. Okay, so they say it's an intensive multi-action treatment with azelaic acid to effectively treat and reduce spots, calm redness, and unify skin tone and texture. Unique formula for the daily care of reactive redness, acne-prone skin, resulting in smooth, rejuvenated skin in just one step. It contains 15% azelaic acid, powerful multifunction ingredient, antioxidant, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, oil-regulating properties that also effectively treats hyperpigmentation, focuses on spots, redness, imperfections, and anyway, azelaic acid, if you watch my channel, I really hadn't tried any azelaic acid products in my first like 2 or 3 years reviewing things, and then this little brand called Geek and Gorgeous came along with a product called their A-Pad serum, which contained an azelaic acid derivative, and I used it, and I was just amazed with the benefits from it. And then I slowly went down the rabbit hole of azelaic acid in small doses, and then it kind of started to become more and more popular. The Ordinary released azelaic acid. They might have had theirs out before Geek and Gorgeous, but I just don't remember really falling in love with it until I tried the one from Geek and Gorgeous, where it was a nice serumy texture. It absorbed quickly. The one from the Ordinary was thick and pilled, and anyway. But I fell in love with azelaic acid because it's such an amazing ingredient for so many different things. Different types of skin that you would never think would benefit from the same ingredient all kind of come together with this ingredient. So it's absolutely amazing. If you haven't tried it, especially if you have rosacea-prone skin, redness-prone skin, breakout-prone skin, oily skin, melasma, hyperpigmentation, check it out. Give it a try. A lot of products in the U.S., well, I think it's 10% is the maximum allowed in the U.S., but overseas, you can find products up to 20% in the Asclear in Australia. This one's got 15%, which is a nice sweet spot. So, okay, first criteria is packaging. Glass bottle with the pump dispenser, really nice. I think they might have modified the packaging a little bit, but anyway, to make it a little bit, just a little different shape, but the packaging is still about the same. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It's also fragrance-free, and it has no real scent to it, so you can apply it, and there's really no noticeable smell either way. The manufacturing location for this one is Spain, and I don't see that often, but now Theramid seems like all their products are made in Spain, and so far so good. I'm loving them all. Okay, so ease of use. So they recommend applying morning and evening. I recommend choosing one and going with it, and I typically use mine in the evening because in my morning routine, I'm using ascorbic acid or vitamin C, some form of vitamin C, because it's the best daytime ingredient. Azelaic acid, it's not necessarily daytime or evening time specific. For me, it just works great in my evening routine. So it's got a really nice lotion texture to it. There we go. So I would say about a pump to a pump and a half is enough to cover my face. And a little bit just over my chin, but not totally on my neck. But it's got a really nice lotion texture. It smooths into skin really nice. So you can apply this. I'd pick morning or evening. I wouldn't do it twice a day. You're better off fitting in other actives into that other part of your routine. Just to get a more rounded routine. You're better off maybe vitamin C or a retinol or an exfoliant, something like that. Anyway, so after cleansing, toning, and any other light serums, you can apply this after that. Let it soak in and then apply your moisturizer. And anyway, so it's really nice. Texture absorbs quickly. It sets to a natural finish. I'd say almost a slightly matte finish. That's non-greasy. It is just a touch tacky, but you're probably going to apply moisturizer over it. Either way, if you're applying in the morning routine or evening, you're probably going to apply moisturizer over it. So the stickiness isn't a huge deal to me. Anyway, so otherwise no issues with it. Very nice, very easy to fit in, very really elegant texture to it. It feels just super nice on skin. And anyway, so really nice. A little bit tends to go a decent amount, but at least a pump for your whole face will have to do. So okay, so no issues with ease of use. So okay, I'm going to talk about the ingredients in here, and obviously I kind of went on a tangent. Well, not really a tangent, but about my love for azelaic acid. I absolutely love the ingredient. It is so amazing. I suffer from melasma and hyperpigmentation. I will say azelaic acid was one of the first ingredients that really helped with azelaic acid. So in terms of helping you with brightening, that azelaic acid was amazing. So 10% is typically in the U.S. what you're going to find. This one's stronger, so that's nice. 20% is the strongest you get. It's amazing. It can help with acne, skin soothing, pigmentation issues. Also really good for rosacea-prone skin and redness-prone skin. Great ingredient all the way around. Helps with lots of different skin problems. Amazing. If you haven't tried it, give it a try. Give it a month and see what you think. I think most people will find that it's beneficial. Okay, next up we've got 1% colloidal oatmeal, soothing antioxidant, emollient, great for eczema-prone skin. Then we've got 1% carnosine, which is a small peptide that has antioxidant and wound-healing properties. We've got thymolin 4, which is a peptide. It's claimed to help with skin regeneration properties. Okay, then we've got a bunch of ceramides. We've got ceramide NP, ceramide EOP, ceramide NS, ceramide AS, and ceramide AP. So 5 ceramides. They're all skin identical ingredients. They all help with barrier repair and help with skin hydration. We've got gallol glucoside, which is an antioxidant soothing ingredient. We've got propylglycate, which is an antioxidant. Then we've got EGCG, because anytime I try and pronounce the whole word, I butcher it. It's an antioxidant soothing ingredient. Carrot root extract, an anti-aging ingredient. We've got cotton culture, skin conditioning ingredient. And then we've got Sphingomonas ferment extract, which is another skin conditioning ingredient. So a nice list of soothing ingredients, peptide ingredients, and hydrating ingredients in here. Can't complain with any of that. Good ingredient list, not terribly long, but we've got the key ingredients in here that we want to see. So no issues at all with that. Okay, in terms of animal testing, so this is cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. So what else can it be free of? I don't know. It's free of everything. So price, yeah. There we go. Okay, so in terms of performance, so this is a really nice azelaic acid serum. It works great without any dryness. Very hydrating, but feels calming at the same time and not greasy. Definitely does what it promises. So it promises to help with redness, prevent breakouts, help with hyperpigmentation, and help rejuvenate skin. In my opinion, I think this helps on all 4 accounts. I can't complain. It does everything. It hits every note that it promises, and most brands make a lot of promises. A lot of times they deliver on one of them or none of them, and this delivers on everything. So nothing bad I can say about it. I like the inclusion of the peptides. And then I see this potentially is also helping with anti-aging with the inclusion of some of those peptides. Never hurts. It's friendly for all skin types, and then for acne-prone skin, there's only 2 ingredients of note, glyceryl stearate and triethanolamine, which are 2 slightly acneogenic ingredients, but then figure in the rest of the ingredients in here fight breakouts and things like that, so unless you're super sensitive to one of the 2, I wouldn't be terribly concerned. Okay, so in terms of the price, so this is the full size, 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, and it retails for about $40. I will say, Google before you pick it up, search, because I think sometimes they have promo codes, so it might be worth, I think sometimes they have like 10% off or something like that, or maybe they'll have another sale, I don't know. So I debated it. So the one from Paula's Choice, which is also 1 ounce, the azelaic acid, which is only 10% azelaic acid, that one's $39. So I was like right on the edge of it. I gave them the point for the price. It's not terribly expensive, and the fact that it's a little bit stronger form of azelaic acid, it's right on the edge there, but I gave them the point. Okay, last but not least, I'm really happy with this one. I definitely consider repurchasing this one again. No real close dupes to this. I would say the closest dupe that I can think of or find is probably the Face Theory 15% Lumizela serum. And that one's on Face Theory's Europe site. If you go to Face Theory's US site, you're only going to see the 10% one because that's really what they're only supposed to sell is the 10% one. So anyway, so I really like this one. So, I mean, look at that texture, that finish. It's really nice, and it's really wonderful, and plays great with other products. And I can't say enough good things so far. I've been really impressed with this brand overall. They seem to really do a good job without being terribly expensive and still create some unique and exciting products. And anyway, so that price, if I could give a half a point, I would, but Cameraman disagrees with the half-point system.
No halves.
No halves, so. Anyway, okay, so with a 10 being a perfect score, I have this one at 10. It's a winner. Check it out. I think you'll be happy you did. So, anyway, and if you need to get your cart full of free shipping, check out their copper peptide serum. I absolutely love it. So, anyway, curious if you guys have checked this one out yet or not, and if you have, what your thoughts are. Leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys. You don't think people will be able...
Ike, he's laying right there.
Ike, can you show off your haircut?
Ike, come here. Ike.
Poopy! Ike! Huh? Come here!
Come
Come here! Ready? Okay. Come here. Ike, come here.
It's trapped.
Come here. Oh, don't touch your head. Oh, he's not gonna.
Ike.
Ike, come here.
Ike, go. Come on.
Come here! Look at Ike.
Hey.
Look at this. Come here.